Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making soft pretzels.
Hi, so really easy one this. We're going to start with some water, 350ml of warm water, a normal packet of yeast, there's 7 grams of yeast, and a tablespoon of brown sugar, soft brown sugar. Give that a little whisk whilst you melt a tablespoon of butter. In goes the butter. Give it a good whisk. A teaspoon of salt. And now you're going to take 500 grams of flour. That's in total, but don't add it all at this point. I've added about just over half of it there. Give it a good mix. Here we are, nearly there. You want it to be coming off the side of the bowl, so you can see what that means here. As a scrape round look, it just starting to come away from the edge of the bowl. Lightly flour a surface on your hands. Get it on there and just keep adding flour just so it stops really sticking and it's holding together just enough. You want this to still be a really nice loose kind of dough. And you're going to knead it, so when you're kneading dough, you just roll it around, push it down, smush it together, roll it around, push it together. You can punch it, you can do everything with it, just keep manipulating it, and as you do it, you feel it getting more and more like springy and smoother, and it just starts to feel nice, and you get into a bit of a rhythm when you're kneading things. So there you go. Kneading it into a bowl, cling film on, leave it for an hour, somewhere warm. It has risen. Not too much of the air out of it, but just scrape it away from the edges and take out balls. I weighed one of these, it was 80 grams, but it's about the size of a snooker ball or something. You just roll it out into as thin as a worm as you can. It's quite stretchy, but you don't want it to be too thin. Fold it over once at the top like that, bring it round, tuck it in the bottom. Easy. This, you take some bicarbonate of soda, 100 grams of bicarbonate of soda in 2 litres of water, or however many litres of water you're using, 50 grams of bicarbonate of soda, and you just put them in it for 20 seconds, literally 20 seconds. Get them out. Put those onto a tea towel, nice clean tea towel so they can drain. There you go. Onto a baking tray, and the salt that you want to put on top of them, obviously you don't want to use a table salt or a flaky salt, it's just the salt's inside a grinder, so undo one of those grinders, sprinkle some of that salt on top. In the meantime, doing just a cheese sauce, a spicy cheese sauce, so a tablespoon of butter that I cooked till just going brown, and about 3 tablespoons of flour. The flour I've used in both of these is the Italian 00 flour, but you can use plain flour as well. You give that a good mix around so it's a really smooth paste. Add milk and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Give it a good whisk around, it'll thicken up loads. But you just want to keep doing it, whisking all the time so it stays lovely and smooth. A teaspoon of, that was Nando's chili salt. No, peri salt, but anything will do there. Some chili powder, some salt, and then milk. So it goes like a thick milkshake, and then you add 100 grams of cheese, well 200 grams of cheese in total, but I've used 2 different types of cheese here. So 100 grams of cheddar cheese, and then 100 grams of red Leicester. Look at this pan, totally unsuitable for the job. This should have been using a bigger one, but Look at that. Does the job though. Look at that beautiful, really, really nice little spicy cheese sauce. There they are, look at them beautiful pretzels, fresh from the oven, amazing smell. Just make sure they don't stick to the bottom there, give them a little wiggle. And there you go, beautiful soft pretzels with a lovely cheese sauce. That's a savoury version. Normally you'd see me take a bite, but that was a nice presentation one I did for my wife, so this is the one I was eating. Look at that, oh, amazing. Dip in the sauce, you got to be happy with that. Very, very nice. For a sweet version, don't put the salt on them before you put them in the oven. This is just an equal mixture of golden caster sugar and sweet cinnamon. And then, yeah, these ones didn't put any salt on them before they put in the oven, and then I'm just brushing them with melted butter. And then cinnamon sugar all over the top. They used to do these in the Trafford Centre, they were gorgeous. Yeah, thank you so much. It's mega easy. It's a simple recipe. It's not like my version, that's just the recipe for pretzels. Look at them, gorgeous, fluffy, soft, chewy, fantastic. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.